Across the U.S., millions are hunkering down and trying to stay warm as an Arctic blast bears down on several parts of the country. In Oregon, strong winds reported to have reached 83 miles per hour sent this tree crashing through a home, leaving an elderly man dead. Parts of Maine's coastline saw record-breaking flooding, resulting in high tide that left streets underwater. In Texas, residents weren't taking any chances, leaving shelves at grocery stores empty as temperatures dropped below freezing. A big concern is the state's power grid. Texans are being asked to conserve energy this morning as temperatures remain below freezing.
We feel very good about the status of the Texas power grid and ERCOT to be able to effectively and successfully ensure that the power is going to stay